Buku is a simple and secure mobile app helping you to maintain your accounts in your own language. It works without internet and your data remains on your phone. Party entry. In Buku, you can set customer, supplier as your party and maintain the credit debit entries with them. You can also set their party type, their credit limit, etc. While making the entry, you can select entry type like credit udhar for customers, advance payment for suppliers. While making the entry, you can select entry type like credit loan for customers, advance payment for suppliers, entry amount, photo, voice message, whether need to send SMS or not. You can also send reminders to party via SMS or WhatsApp. Quick view. You can see consolidated sale, purchase, income, expenses, enabling you to calculate your business profit. Buku also let you know total payables and receivables. You can also see your reminders and entries of any date as well. Sale income. Here you can record your daily income, sale, where you are receiving the money. You can also select the mode of payment like cash, bank, wallet. Buku also gives provision to select the party with whom you have made this transaction and be able to select the reason, invoice number, balance amount, etc. Multiple ledgers. If you are running more than one business, then in Buku you can create multiple ledgers and can able to set the account type like personal or business, business name, business category, currency, contact details, profile images, etc. Report and reminders. From here, you can see reports of any party, expenses you made, daybook, cash register, bank wallet statements, and many more for desired date, which you can further share via WhatsApp or email in Excel and the PDF format. Expense and purchase. Buku gives you provision to manage expense and purchase in separate. From expense register, you can create multiple expense book like maintaining separate expense for travel trip or office expenses. There are 80 plus expense categories like petrol, water, electricity, etc. Further, you can also create your custom expense categories as required. Smart Diary. From Smart Diary, you can create text or voice notes for yourself or for your party of any date, and further you can convert those into entries like income, sale, expense, purchase, credit given, payments, etc. You can also share these via WhatsApp or email. Provision for speech to text is also added and you can attach any image as per your requirement. Manage bank, wallet and cards. In Buku, you can add multiple bank, wallet, credit cards, etc. Bank and wallet is same for all the account profiles, but the cash balance is separate for each profile. You can also see all the entries made and further provision is given to make transfer, withdrawal, deposit within cash, bank and wallet. Manage inventory. With Buku, maintain the inventory of your product with product images, brand, categories, buying and selling prices with tags like clearance sales, etc. From general settings, you can manage categories, brand, unit, subunit, and able to set the low stock alert, financial year, invoice number series with prefix, government IDs, signatures, logos, terms and conditions, etc. Generate your orders with Buku and share invoices with your customers. Manage AMC. Buku AMC module can be used by all AMC providers. You can create new AMCs by providing AMC type, payment details, customer details, AMC start and the end date, number of visits, signatures, remarks, etc. From schedule inspection, you can assign the AMC to the technician team who will work on it and technician will get the service form to get it filled. Buku will send a reminder for the AMC expiry which you can also renew and can send the payment reminders to the end customer for the balance amount. Manage staff. Make sure to select the party type as staff, and further, you can add the staff details like employee ID, designation, employment type, bank details, their address, etc. Here, you can mark their attendance with in and out time and record their overtime with the reason. From view attendance, you can see their old attendance record and can edit them as well. You can also create an entry for salary given along with the advances given to them. Manage loan EMI. Here you can create the EMI for the money given as loan by specifying the principal amount, interest type, duration and rate of interest. You can also set prepayment and send reminders to the party for the pending EMIs. You can take the data backup in local or on Google Drive and can upload the backup shared with you. Make sure to take the regular backups to avoid any data loss. We hope that you will use Bookoo and share it with your friends and family. Our best wishes to you, and please do share your feedback with us. Thank you.